it's Anna from WTI. If you're already a fan of Doc Martens, I don't think I need to tell you why these boots are so amazing, but if these are your first pair, then you are in for a treat. These are the Remedy Sanguine Doc Martens. I love how they're a big chunky boot. I'm kind of short, so I love the big platform heel on these. They make me feel like I can conquer the world. They're my everyday slip-on boot. I love how easy they are to get on and off. They're so comfortable. I've been wearing these for such a long time, and while they have broken in so well, they don't look super beat up because they are Doc Martens. They are meant to be worn for years. I wear these when I go to concerts so I don't get my toes crushed. So whether you're dressing them up, dressing them down, they are my favorite boot to grab for any occasion. I love these boots so much. I'm so glad that I have them. They are so comfortable. I would size down one with these. I'm normally a 9, and in these I wear an 8, and they are the perfect size. So if you're looking to get yourself a pair of Doc Martens, then definitely these ones would be a great pair to start with. I think that they are an excellent pair of boots, and that is my point of view.